Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at how much I've currently earned off one of my videos which I uploaded onto YouTube a little over a year ago now, and we're going to go through everything about this. So I'll show you the actual earnings, we'll look at the number of subscribers that I've gained from that and a lot more, because I think you'll be very surprised. In fact, comment down below for me how much you think one video on YouTube with over 450,000 views actually earns, and then as we go through the video we'll see how close to it you was, because this all come about because I asked this question over here in my Facebook group just to get people's opinions on this, and it was really interesting. So let me just scroll down here so you can see $1 million someone thought. But if I come down here, look, Sid thought it was about £6,000. This person down here, Sean, he thought it was $50. And if we come further down, we've got £2,000, we've got £8,000, 50. Calvin, it was a bit on the high side, 50 to 60. Nicole, 7,500. So people's opinions and thoughts on this, they're absolutely all over. And the reason why this is because what happens is, when it comes to YouTube, you get paid via something which is known as CPM, cost per mile. And what that basically means is how much you earn per 1,000 views. Now, my YouTube channel, if I go over here, this Not Taught at School one, this channel is all about, have a guess what it's about. You can see here, it's about making money online. So I share different videos on here about how you can earn money online, and I share what I'm doing in my online business, and I share what you can do, and then I also cover some different courses or softwares where I'll go and review them and then share them with my audience, and I also earn a commission if somebody purchases that way. So in terms of this channel here, my CPM, or cost per mile, or how much I get paid per 1,000 views, is a lot higher than somebody in, let's say, the dog niche, someone who's sharing videos about dogs, or like gaming videos or blogs, and like these crazy vlogs where people are reacting to, because advertisers in the make money online niche, they're prepared to pay a hell of a lot more money than what someone would where they would put an ad over a reaction video or something like that, because they're not going to get a lot back for that. So when I was looking at some different advertisements which have been put over the top of my videos, some of those are for courses which are selling for £1,000. Some of those are for softwares which are high-end softwares as well. So if someone's selling a product or a course for $1,000, they're prepared to pay a hell of a lot more than what other channels would get. So my CPM for this channel, I've checked this for the last 28 days, it's currently around $38.50, which is absolutely incredible, because like a gaming channel, their cost per 1,000 views is probably about $3 or $4. So the make money online niche, I know that people have their different opinions on this and perspectives about it. Lots of people think everything to do with making money online is a scam. I can assure you it's not. Yes, there's some people out there who will they'll rob you blind, but on my channel here, this is the niche that we're looking at, and this is the content I'm sharing. So that's why I'm able to earn a lot more money from my videos than gamers, music artists, and other people. So what I'll say as well to you is, if you watch this video till the end, there's going to be a link over here. This will take you over to my YouTube course. I'm not pitching yet, it's absolutely free. So if you want to go ahead and get this course, I will drop a link below for you, and I'll show you exactly where you can get this. And this here, this is I documented my growth on YouTube, and this showed you how I got my first 1,000 subscribers, different methods that I use. You can see on here how to create your videos, uploading your videos, tricks and freebies, and there's lots of this different stuff in here. So if you're new on YouTube or you want to grow on YouTube, I'll show you how you can go and get access to this course for free. Okay, so let's go right into the channel now. Let's go and find the video. So the video we're looking for here is, I'll go over to videos, and I'll just sort this by most popular. And the video, I'll show you the video, and I'll show you the thumbnail, so everything's transparent for you. So this here is the video. Look, 456,000 views. It was uploaded 1 year ago. It's had 12,000 likes, 666 dislikes. Random number, isn't it? But look, so this here is the thumbnail, and this is the text, obviously the title here. Why has it done so well? Probably because of the thumbnail. You see, it's quite eye-catching, it's easy, copy and paste, make $100 to $2,000 a day. And being absolutely honest with you, when it comes to making money online, lots of people are not prepared to put in the time and the effort. They're all looking for easy systems and simple ways to make this amount of money. Now, the reality of this is, yes, you can make this amount of money here, and I show you this in the video. And is it easy? Yes, but what does it take? It takes time, consistency and effort, and that's where a lot of people lack in there. there. But look, we're going off on a tangent about something completely different. So this is the video here. So if we go into the analytics for this, let's go and look at this now. So you can see this video here. It's currently earned me to date $8,284.78. In total, it's brought in 14,000 subscribers to the channel. And if I scroll down here, look, you see on the right hand side here, real-time activity, it's still getting views every single day. So it's averaging, 71 views per day, which isn't great, but bearing in mind this video was uploaded over a year ago. If you scroll down here, you can see this is where the traffic's coming in from. So YouTube search, that means when somebody goes on YouTube and types in the title or something they're looking for, then they're finding my video this way. Browse features, this is probably the most important one, because when this video was starting to take off, it was being driven a lot by this here, which is the browse features. And what that means is when you go onto YouTube and you click on your home page, YouTube will put up, different videos that you have they'll put up different videos to channels you're subscribed to, and they'll also put up thumbnails from other videos and different channels where they think you may find that content useful, or you may like it. So a lot of my traffic to this video actually came from the browse features, which was essentially YouTube sharing it for me for free. And then we've got suggested videos here, other features, and direct or unknown. So if I scroll back up here, I just want to show you the revenue. So if we go into the actual revenue here, so you see here, this is how much it's earned since it's been published. So it was published on the 10th of March 2019. So you can see it went from down here, and then we had this big jump up here. So look, from March to August, so if we found August the 10th, there we go. So in 5 months, this video, from when I uploaded it, it had earned close to $7,000. So it's pretty good, isn't it? And if you look at this, the video, it's 16 minutes long. Feel free to go ahead and have a look. Go and watch the video and I'll earn some more money. But you can see here, it's a 16-minute video. I don't do crazy edits or anything within in any of my videos that I upload. It's pretty much me talking to camera like we're doing here. This video here, it will have taken me no longer than, I'd say, probably about an hour in total, and that includes recording the video, doing the thumbnail, doing the description and other bits on here. So if I just show you here when it got uploaded, so on the first day, this video actually earned me $12. Not good. Second day, it jumped up to 18, 23. So after this video had gone up on YouTube, it was just going along here. So you can see in the first 10 days it earned $100, so it was averaging $10 a day. But then look, if we just start to move it along, all of a sudden it started to take off a little bit. So after 10 days we'd earned $100. Day 11 and 12 it had gone up another $10 per day, 42. But then you can see here, look, day 14 I actually earned from the previous day, it was coming up to $20. But then go to the next day, it's jumped up again, jumped up again, jumped up again, you can see. So it starts to quickly add up, doesn't it? So 420 to 480, so I earned $60 in that day from that video. Following day, it jumped from, what did it jump from there? Sorry, it jumped from 480 to 539. The following day, it jumped up to 604, then 651. And you can see it's just going up every single day. Had it continued on this upwards graph, that would have been brilliant. But look how long this upward graph kept going for in a pretty decent thing. 72. About 150 days realistically from when I uploaded it to this graph just continuously going up. And then what's happened is over time it started to level out. And what's gone on here is YouTube here on this upwards graph here, they were recommending and sharing this video for me. And what happens is YouTube will put your video on the homepage. So everybody's homepage on YouTube looks different, because that comes down to, obviously you subscribe to different channels, and then they will also put on videos which they recommend or they think that you will like or you will interact with. And that's what happened with this video here. So if you come down here, you can see it's still on browse features. So this video is still being recommended on people's home screens of YouTube for me. Nowhere near like what it was in the beginning, but it's still there, and it's still bringing me in essentially it's bringing me in a passive income, because I've done the work once. And I'm still earning money from this. Now if I come down to here, you can see this is the retention of the video, and you can see here when people are jumping off the video. And this is always the same. People are always going to watch some of your video and then jump off at certain parts. I don't understand why people do that, because if they want to learn a method to make money online, surely you'd watch it till the end. But I mean, I don't understand. My content could be boring for people. But if you come down here, you can see where it's down at 33 here, and then we jump back up to 35. So if you ever see a jump like this in your back office, what that means is somebody's rewound the video, and so they've literally gone back. So this point here, this 5 minutes in the video, this must have been like an important part, because 2% of people have gone back and watched this little bit here, and you'll see these on all of your videos, these little bits where it goes back up. So this here is the actual video. This is how much we earn: $8,000 from the video, subscribers 14,000 subscribers, views and watch time. So I think it'll be a long time before I do the follow-up video to this to getting 1 million views, because now it's pretty much died off and it's dead, this video. I'm starting to see a lot of people have replicated this video themselves, and they're getting great success with this. But look, if you're interested in making money online, and especially with YouTube, in my course it will show you how to do everything. It goes over the basics, it goes over uploading your videos, uploading your videos, journey here, it goes over long tail keywords, how to get organic growth on YouTube, and lots more. But look, you can have a YouTube channel without being on camera. You don't even have to talk. In fact, tomorrow, keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, because I'm going to show you a number of channels which are earning ridiculous amounts of money uploading really simple 3 and 4 minute videos without them talking, without them being on camera. And to be honest, you wouldn't even have a clue whose channel it is. And guess what? I'm going into one of these channels as well. I'm just about to start doing this. I'm about to start doing this myself. But you see here, look, this channel here is currently earning, this is in the UK, up to $228,000 a year, it says here. And look, take this number here with a pinch of salt, because the numbers over on Social Blade here, they're way out. I would say times this number by at least 7 or 8, and that is roughly how much this channel will be earning. And this is just one channel that I'm going to share with you in tomorrow's video. But look here, look at the estimated earnings. These are daily earnings, anywhere between £46 and £735, without being on camera, without talking, without any video skills or editing or absolutely anything. So keep an eye out for that video tomorrow. But look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like and comment down below. Was you surprised at how much that one video actually earned? I think you'll agree it's pretty impressive, isn't it, for a 16-minute video. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.